Myself, V. Narayana Babu, lecturer in mathematics, GSI PU College, Mysore. In the last session, we have discussed about the factorial, fundamental principle of counting and permutation and the problems related to permutation. In this session, we shall continue to solve the problems on permutation. If phi p r equals 60, find the value of r. Solution. So, the data given here is phi p r is equal to 60. We have to find the value of r. So, 60 can be written as 5 into 4 into 3. So, phi p r 5 into 4 into 3 can be written as phi p 3. Therefore, r will be equal to 3. Next problem. How many different arrangements can be made with the letters of the word Monday. So, solution. See, Monday has 6 letters. Therefore, we can make 6 factorial arrangements, that is equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is 6 5 is 30, 30 into 4 120, 120 into 3 is 360, 360 into 2 is 720. So, in 720 ways we can arrange the letters of the word Monday. Next problem. How many 6-digit numbers can be formed with the digits 2, 7, 6, 1, 9, 8. There are 6 numbers given. You have to form a 6-digit numbers. Therefore, it can be formed in 6 factorial ways. That is, 6 factorial is equal to 720. So, in 720 ways, we can arrange the 6-digit number by using 2, 7, 6, 1, 9, 8. In how many ways can 4 people occupy 6 vacant chairs? If you observe here, there are 6 vacant chairs. So, we have to place 4 people in 6 vacant chairs. Therefore, number of vacant chairs is 6 and how many people are there? 4. So, 6p4 which will be equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. 6 5s are 30, 30 into 4 120, 120 into 3 360. So, next problem. There are 4 routes to go from A to B and 3 routes to go from B to C. B to C. In how many ways? In how many ways can you go from A to C via B? If you observe here, there are 4 routes from A to B. That is, from A to B, there are 4 routes. And there are 3 routes to go from B to C. There are 3 routes to go from B to C. We have to find in how many ways can you go from A to C. That is 4 into 3. So, 4 into 3 equals 12 ways. Find the value of n if np5 is equal to 20 into np3. So, you should know that np1 is equal to n, np2 is equal to n into n minus 1, np3 is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. Similarly, np4 is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. So, here, in this problem, the condition given is np5 is equal to 20 into np3. So, continuing like this, what we get? np5 is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4. So, np5 can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4. So, that will be equal to 20 into np3. np3 is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. So, equals is present here. So, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 will get cancel. So, the remaining terms are n minus 3 into n minus 4 is equal to 20. 20 can be written as 5 into 4, that is n minus 3 into n minus 4 is equal to 5 into 4. So, if we equate n minus 3 is equal to 5, so n is equal to 8, or n minus 4 is equal to 4, n will be equal to 8. So, next problem, in how many ways can 7 persons be seated in a row, if 2 persons always occupy the end seats. So 7 persons be seated in a row. So in a row there are 7 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 persons seated in a row. If 2 persons always occupy the end seats, so 2 persons will occupy the end seats. So the remaining 5 persons will be in between the 2 end seats. Since 2 persons always occupy the end seats, they can be arranged in 2 factorial ways, and the remaining 5 persons can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. Therefore, the number of ways of arrangements will be equal to 2 factorial into 5 factorial, that is equal to 2 into 1 into 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So that will be equal to 2 5s are 10, 10 4s are 40, 40 into 3 120, 120 into 2 is 240 ways. Therefore, number of arrangements will be equal to 240 ways. In how many ways can 3 boys and 4 girls be arranged in a row so that all the 3 boys are together. So there are 3 boys and 4 girls. They have to be arranged in one row so that all the 3 boys are together. Since 3 boys are together, we consider these 3 boys as one unit. Therefore, we have 1 unit of boys plus 4 unit of girls. Total there will be 5 units. So this can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. For each of these 3 boys, they can be arranged among themselves in 3 factorial ways. Therefore, the number of arrangements will be equal to 5 factorial into 3 factorial. So 5 factorial is 120 into 3 factorial is 6. So it can be arranged in 720 ways. How many words can be formed from the letters of the word friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend, which begin with F and end with D. So, the word friend has 6 letters. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6 letters. So, now the condition given is which is begin with F. So, it should always begin with F and end with D. So, the word should end with D. That means the first letter and the last letter have been fixed. Now, the remaining 4 letters can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Therefore, the total number of arrangements is equal to 4 factorial, which is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. If NP3 is to NP2 equals 3 is to 1, find N. So, given is NP3 is to NP2 equals 3 is to 1, that is NP3 by NP2 is equal to 3 by 1. NP3 can be written as N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 divided by NP2 can be written as N into N minus 1, which will be equal to 3 by 1. N into N minus 1 and N into N minus 1 will get cancelled. So, N minus 2 will be equal to 3. So, N will be equal to 5. Okay, thank you.